Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am OYOKO, but you could call me V. And today, I want to briefly touch on productivity and how it is slowly killing us. Ironically, I made a video last year about how you can stay productive at home. And I have come to realize that wanting to be productive all of the time is destructive. It's like someone offering you a drink, claiming that if you drink this, you will achieve those goals that you also desire, leading you to that dream life. So you choose to drink this, and instantly you feel the urge to work. Even if you wanted to rest at some point, you can't. You work and work and work because you want to have a happy and successful life in the future. Suddenly, your intrinsic motivation has been replaced by external factors. So this drink wasn't necessarily a potion for good fortune and good luck. No, it was venom. Venom, I tell you. Wearing you down, eating your energy alive. Your biological clock system has been thrown off. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is productivity can become your demise if it's not sustainable. And I will use YouTube as an example. When it comes to creating YouTube videos, I need to push myself to be in front of the camera at times, to be bubbly. And, even on days that I don't feel like filming, I need to push through and still show up because I need to stick to a uploading schedule because I need to post every single week. And it comes with this pressure of performing well for growth, for wanting to be rewarded for your content creation. And I have a small channel. I cannot even imagine people with way bigger platforms, like the need, the urge, the stress, the pressure of needing to consistently show up and perform and post and entertain other people on the World Wide Web. It comes with so much, and you can just handle so much until you are on the verge of burnout. Like it's just not good for your mental health and eventually for your physical health. This takes me to my next point, the live to work mentality and always working towards the future. And this is exactly the trap. Being productive will come with results that will incentivize you to keep going, to want more, to want it better, faster, bigger, greater. I do believe that we have been conditioned to value our existence based on the labor that we can provide. A productive person is a valuable person, and it is intrinsically linked to capitalism. It seems like people are afraid to rest their bodies even when they can because working is keeping them alive. The body doesn't know how to rest, and when it does, it could potentially collapse. Maybe we should start enjoying the moments that we do have because life is fleeting. Or maybe it's not. Maybe we just don't know how to use it. Well, this was the video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, let me know if this resonated with you, what your relationship is with productivity, if you see the link between productivity and capitalism, and how you would reimagine a world where capitalism is not at the core of every system. How would that look like? How would that look like on an individual level? How would there be a link between productivity and your self-worth? In correlation to how we show up in our society. I don't know. I am just thinking out loud, but there might be a follow-up on this. And I know that I did not really dissect the relation between capitalism and productivity. So that could be a second video, but it is what it is. I don't want to make it too long. Let me know. And that's it. So I hope you are well. I hope you go well. I hope you stay well. And I will see you in the next video. Deuces.